Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're just going to be talking about Bitcoin because this is an emergency, guys. We talked about this huge downside move in yesterday's video. I actually have an alarm that's getting ready to go off, so that's always nice. But we talked about this spot right here. First of all, guys, look, we got the weekly moving average right here. We're actually coming down right now. This is an emergency video, guys, because in yesterday's video, we were all the way up here, and I said, look, we're probably going to just start tanking. Actually, we were at like 26 or something, or 27. And I said, look, this is going to get ugly quick, and it's going to go fast. And I said, by this week, there is a possibility we could see a macro low by this week because it's moving so fast, guys. Right now, we are actually currently breaking under that weekly 200-day moving average. Now, guys, here's the deal. It's Monday. So this moving average doesn't mean anything unless we get a weekly candle closing under. So it could fall all the way down here to 14,000 and then wick back up and close the week at the end of the week above that 200-day moving average. And all this means nothing. So the 200-day moving average will be as long as we can close the week above it. If not, and we do get a candle closing underneath this, we get a weekly by, Sunday, right? By Sunday, 8 o'clock, and we get that weekly candle closing under this moving average, the very next week, we want to see Bitcoin close above that moving average. If not, this downturn cycle, instead of the wick down that we thought would happen and then bounce, this could get really ugly and stay ugly for a little while, okay, if we can't get back above this moving average. All right, so this is an emergency video. Let's see here. What else do we have? Well, we're about to hit that 22,900 area, which I had as a big key area. I also did some point of controls over here, guys. I took look at the volume that we have coming in here. Okay, so I jotted down some key levels here that we were looking at. One of them that caught my attention was this 14,000 area. I believe it was. Let's just get rid of this. Let's do this again. Let's see. Yeah, that was point of control right here at 18,900. We also have the previous high. Let's mark that down. I did have these numbers down, guys, but I don't know why. I must not have saved it yesterday. But we have that 19,800 area. Guys, these are key areas. But do you see right here? There's no volume here. If this breaks right here, guys, here's my alarm. You guys can hear my alarm going off right now. I believe I had it set at that 22 mark. And you guys can hear it now. I'm going to turn that down because that's going to be annoying through through this cycle here. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's see if it breaks off that 21,900 area. This is a big level for me. Okay, you can see where if we zoom in on the weekly here, you can see that's a key weekly level right there. Okay, we break that. The next level is all the way down at that 19,800, which was the last high all the way back in 2017 in December. So, guys, this is a critical spot in Bitcoin. If we do get any kind of higher term time frames closing underneath this, especially that 21.9. The 21.9 is huge. Let's go to the hourly. I'm doing this as we speak. It's 7:19 p.m. Okay. I jumped on here as soon as we start hitting that 200-day moving average, just because, I'm curious to see what happens here. And I want you guys to share this moment with me. This is incredible. This is, to me, doing this for so long, even back when Bitcoin was a couple $100 or even when it was $3,000 and, you guys on stock tweets before all my accounts got suspended, I had hundreds and hundreds of, even thousands of followers on there. And, I was posting Bitcoin back when it was nothing. So, this to me is big time for a lot of you guys. You don't know when Bitcoin hits these levels, guys, all these altcoins we're looking at, Ethereum, SHIB, everything, that will be the time to buy. Okay. Timing the bottom, yeah, will it be tough? Well, let's look at our fibs. Let's go with the old fib lines, okay? Bust out a fib. Let's go point of control style. All right. So we already that fib's gone. Let's look at our next level here. We're golden pocket fib now. Golden pocket. What is that? That golden pocket's already gone. So we are getting the tiny bounce right here. Let's go with this fib right here. Let's see what we got. Nope, no good. So let's go all the way back. Well, you know what? Let's do this. Let's go all the way back at 109, and let's take this off because that's really bothering me. And is this still on? Wow, that can't be right, guys. Let me go. Let me try a different fib. That doesn't make sense. As we're speaking, we are getting a bounce now off of 22 even. Now, to me, that was to be expected. Maybe they're front running that 21,900 move, guys. That's what it looks like they might be doing. They're front running the 29, that 29, or that 21,900 move. Let's see here. Boom, boom. 21,900. And there's a front run. It's a front run. Let's see if we can see anything that can tell me anything other than what I'm looking at. Okay, so this fib I have here puts us at that 14,900 area. Guys, if that 19 breaks, I would be looking for these levels here. If this 21 breaks, I would be looking at that 19,890 area. I'd also be looking at the 18,000. What is that? I'm sorry, 18,939 area. Then I would be looking at, based on our fib right here, and get a line on it. What are we locking? I don't want to lock. Just right there. That's fine. We'll just boom. Then I'd be looking at the 14,860 area. And that actually we could draw a box in there, guys. You know what? Let's do this. Because our boxes are, on my channel, these have been so accurate. I mean, we do this and it's just, hey, buy in this range. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But you could see even up here, I mean, you guys look at my video that I have from 3 weeks ago. And look, these are the levels that we had for rejection. And look at this. Look where we got rejected. If you guys know me from even when I first started my channel, it hasn't been around that long. We draw these boxes. These boxes are accurate. And look how close we are to my line, guys. If they front running us $100, that's not a lot of money in Bitcoin. They could easily just front run the move on us. So let's see if that is a possibility, or can this thing go lower? Let's go look at some of the charts, guys, because we called this yesterday for a big dump, right? I said this thing is going to tank yesterday. So let's go ahead and get lower. And guys, I usually do all the altcoins. I know I usually do, Ethereum, Matic, and all that fun stuff, and Cardano and everything all at once with Bitcoin. But this is important. Bitcoin runs the market. Okay. What are we looking at here? What do we see? Well, I see on the hourly charts. I mean, things are so low, guys. I'm not seeing anything there short term. Not seeing like a huge bounce. I mean, it's only up what, 300, $400. It's nothing in the scheme of things. That's people trying to buy the dip. Could they be smart? Yeah, it's a 15% downside right now. Let's see. Let's look at momentum. Well, we're getting up there. We're getting up there in momentum. I want to check my distribution chart, guys. Let's look at this one. And let's go to the Bitcoin curve too. You know what? Let's go to the curve too. Let's go to this. We're on the monthly here. I'm not seeing it, guys. Look, I mean, yeah, it did. It started here, and then maybe this could be the. I don't know, guys. We talked about hitting 22,000 in yesterday's video, 22 to that 21,900, and we did hit the 22,000 on a front run. But can I see more downside? Well, let's look at the daily. I mean, we are bottoming out on these indicators. Well, RSI can actually still come down somewhat. Well, I mean, we're sitting at 15 here. That's pretty low. That'll continue to fall as long as we're under the 25,700. I'm seeing that on a lot of my indicators here, actually. Yeah, 20. Wow, this one's at 27 on the stochastic. So the stochastic will keep flipping to the downside on the daily. Of course, that'll change in about, let's see, it's 726. I do have these areas marked out on this indicator. And this indicator, you guys know, this is the ADX and DI4, 4V4. It's a little tongue twister. You guys can look that up on TradingView. Just go to indicators and type that in. But you can see I marked off the levels where it hit the bottom to go to the upside and to the downside with the red. You see, we actually this is the highest it's ever been. I think right back here. That was the sick dump. I can't say it. That was the highest. Well, actually, no. There was one other back in 2018. Wow, so it can go up to 70. Let's see if that. I mean, but the average is around this line here. This first line. So let's get rid of this top because this is. I mean, in this area right here, this is where we could see maybe some kind of flip on it, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet. To the downside more, yeah, the stochastic indicator is telling me we're still heading down as long as we're under 27 on the daily. Let's go to the 12 hour. 12 hour has 25 or 22,500. Okay, so that's not good. The 6 hour has 23,800. So nothing there. This is more downside. Let's go to hour. Hour has 22,500. So at 22,500, getting some kind of higher term time frame close above there, maybe. But guys, I'm just not seeing it. Let's see momentum. Let's see where momentum's going on the BPW. Okay, so we got that. Let's turn to the upside in the hourly with stochastic moving down. That's not good. 4 hour. That's kind of turning over. Let's see. 6 hour. We're just redlining. No, so this is not showing me much. 12 hour, though, it's starting to. Daily? Daily's not there yet, guys. There's more downside coming. There's more downside in this coming, guys. I'm going to have to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. Wow, this is incredible. What a dump. What a dump. This is terrible. I mean, it's great if you're shorting it, guys. I mean, if you were shorting it, this was an easy short. You guys, for anybody that shorted watching my video, I mean, we talked about this rejection at 48,000. We were bullish and happy, and the only thing I said is if we get rejected at that 48, that's the only thing that can hold us down from going up higher. And once we got rejected there, I said, "Oh, this is bad." Just like when I did this the other day. And I said, hey, we could fill this. We could come up here. We were down here, bounce off that 28, go up here, see if we can clear this area that I have in my box here, and then maybe fill that gap up to 35. Once I did that second video, though, and I saw us getting rejected here, I said, oh, this isn't good, guys. And then, of course, yesterday's video that I did, we were up here, and I said, this is going to get ugly quick. And this is a pretty ugly day, if you ask me, guys. I'm not seeing anything that could change this right now, though. I mean, can it slow down a little bit? Yeah, I mean, this RSI just doesn't look good on the daily. I mean, it's getting pretty low though. We're definitely in the red. We're definitely in the red zone. I mean, it's definitely oversold. Definitely oversold. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum's really oversold. I mean, guys, it hasn't been this low since 2018. Ethereum. So when it comes to that stuff, The indicators are getting pretty low. There's not much more. I mean, there has to be a move at some point. There has to be a little pop to the upside and then maybe another try to the downside, just like we talked about. We were, 3 weeks ago in my video when I said I didn't think this was bottom. I kept telling everybody this is not the bottom. We're going to pop up, maybe get up here. If not, get rejected here, and then we're going to come lower. This was always our game plan, is to go lower than this. That was our game plan from day one. I never thought this was even close to being the macro bottom. Okay. And this is critical moment, guys. This is a critical moment. Shoot. I should have went live. I was having problems with my computer. I don't know. I got the spaceship, guys, and there's so many monitors and there's so many things going on here. And for some reason, I think I have a new kitten, and I think she chewed up one of my wires in the back here. To be honest with you guys, I got to find out what's causing this now. But I was having a little delay just getting on here. But yeah, we're at that weekly moving average. Oh, that's what we want to look at, guys. Let's look at the curve. Let's load another layout. Let's look at the Bitcoin curve. Woo! Look at our levels we have here. What do we got here? Oh man. We are out of the curve, guys. Look at my drawings. This is an old chart, guys. Look at this. This is when we broke out. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. This chart right here. Do you see this line right here? This was a bump and run I did all the way back here. Look how we timed this move. This is when I first started my YouTube channel. We hit the bottom perfect, all right, that 28,800. Then I said, all right, bump and run. We're going to break this, retest this, and then we're going to create all-time high. Look how I drew this up. I drew this up and we were back here, guys. I drew this move up. This drawing that you see right here. I'm going to keep that. That's incredible. And then we hit all-time high after the bump and run. You can see my line right here that I drew up. Bump and run. A bump and run is right here. Okay. But right now, wow. Wow, guys. We just hit 22 even. What do I have here? This is my box. This was a long time ago I drew this up. From that 19,800 to I have 17. Huh. It's very interesting. Let's see if that plays out. That's sometimes my old charts play pretty good, huh? I wonder how I got that back then. It must have been I must have did a fib and we didn't hit the all-time high yet. That's incredible. Because you want to draw, guys. You want to draw when you draw a fib, you want to go to that all-time high. So I probably did it, and maybe I pulled it from here or from here or something. Let's see that we are out of the curve, guys. This curve, look at this, guys. This has only happened one time in Bitcoin's history. Okay, you can see the bull cycle. Bull cycle 2015, bear cycle 2015, bull cycle. And if I zoom in really close here, oh my God, we're at the 29, we're at the 21,900, guys. Did we get there? Oh my God, it happened so quick. Guys, it froze. Oh my God. That was the move. Was that it? Was that the move? Oh, we hit it, and then did you see it freeze? Guys, it froze. That means that's how many people were buying it. Oh my Lord. Oh, that was the dip. Maybe that was the dip. Let's find out. I don't think so though, guys. I really don't. Wow, that was our level. We hit our level. Look at that. 21,920. I had 21,913. Incredible. Let's see if that holds up, guys. If not, I would look for these lower levels. Okay. And right now, we could see a little bounce here, but in the end, I think we're going lower on this. Okay. So just don't be surprised if we do see a little bounce, but I think we might be going lower. I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to all you guys. Maybe I'll jump on in a little bit in a couple hours and try to make another updated video here for you guys. But that's it, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. Much love to all you guys, and peace out.